Alright, so this is the positional sound demo for the Corsair Void wireless headset. I have to say, it's actually pretty good. Just on stereo right now, but the channels are pretty clearly defined. I wouldn't say as good as the Logitech G933s, but in a lot of ways I feel like the sound profile on these two headsets are very similar.
Widowmaker here.
Yeah, I'm able to clearly distinguish where people are even just with regular stereo. I'll go ahead and switch it to the virtual surround and see how Corsair's virtual surround holds up. Alright, so this is the section with Corsair's virtual surround enabled.
This will come again.
And I am noticing a difference. It seems like there's more depth of sound, and I would describe that as I can hear people more in the distance, I would say. Which is good. Good on Corsair for actually doing a version of virtual surround that isn't horrible. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. This is good. Yeah, much better, and I think this is competitive and passable for a lot of people to play and actually do better in their games.